Good morning to everyone. You know what time it is, creative thinking time. One of my awesome channels I watch every single time there's a new post up, and I'm joining in with quite a few of her challenges. And why is that? Because Grandma thinks it's really helping her a lot to get a lot of money saved up. So far, we're doing a savings challenge with her for Grandma's vacation with her family. And I'm doing another one, 52-week challenge to save up to get some dental work done. And it looks like we're doing another challenge starting, well, I think it's already started, but Grandma hasn't had an opportunity to make a video yet. So we'll start doing that one too, and we'll talk about it more in the coming week. I'll try to get it done. You know, we have to do the best we can. Now, let's see what Grandma's been doing on her savings for her dental work, the 52-week challenge. I did get sick with COVID and I did miss a couple of weeks, but maybe we will try to get caught up in the coming weeks on that too, because Grandma didn't work for over a week, so that meant 1 week no paycheck at all and another paycheck that was short. I was off 10 days. Oh well, you know, we have to do the best we can, and what we can do is what we can do. Also, I want to mention to see if you'll all go over and check out Creative Thinking and see what the wonderful challenges she keeps coming up with to save money, and check out all her wonderful little videos. They're all pretty short, as you can see. None of them run very long, and we need to be supportive of the smaller channels to build our channels bigger and stronger as well as theirs. Now, let's see what Grandma did for this week. Don't forget now to go over to Creative Thinking and everyone else joining in. Check out the playlist and see who's all joining in with these different challenges. Make some new friends. Make some new groups to follow. It's going to help your channel as well as theirs. Don't forget, go check out Creative Thinking, a wonderful channel full of great content. Thanks for stopping by to check out our 52-week savings we are doing for this calendar year for 2022. I have trying to get my money saved up to do my dental work. Starting in May, I'm going to start only putting $25 a week in instead of $100 a week that I've been doing because I'm working an extra day at work. So it's going to bring down my savings quite a bit. But the most important thing, not that we stop, we just have to make sure we save something every week to make sure eventually I can get another tooth fixed. I think I have enough money saved this year to at least do one tooth. We'll see how it works out. Now let's see what Grandma saved for this week. $5, $10, $15, $20, $25, $30, $35, $40. I have 8 $5 bills there, a total of $40. Now let's see what other parts I have saved. Well, here we go. We have 50, 60, 70, 80. 4 tens makes $80. And we added a 20, and now we're at 100. Oh my gosh. And how much has Grandma saved so far this calendar year? Well, you get to see the sum total of what I've saved for 2022 so far. Like I said, I put $100 a week in. When we get to May, it's going down to $25 a week because I'm going to be working one less day a week. So that's quite a bit of money for the month. But, you know, I think family is the most important thing. And with me working every Saturday, it's not giving me the family time I want. So once I stop working Saturday, I will have Thursday, Friday, and Saturday off. Great family time, and me and the grandkids and great-grandkids can start doing a lot more gardening together, mountain lake time together, and family birthday parties. And y'all just have to make do with whatever I can do on my dental work. So far, this calendar year, we have saved $500 already, and we're only in the second month. I'm sure we're going to get a lot more saved in the future. But it won't be as much as I could if I was working 5 days a week all year. And I've got to the point now, family time is more important. So I hope you enjoyed the video I put together today, and hope you're all joining in for savings time. And don't forget, start saving, start joining in. This isn't just helping support creative thinking, this is also to help support yourselves. Don't forget, and she always puts up great content. Make sure that you are following her and get yourself inspired. Hugs and kisses to all my awesome friends and family. Thank you so much for always being so loving and supportive. I can't wait to see what all of you come up with and what you've saved. I hope you all start thinking of joining in with creative thinking and all the different things you can save for. You can do something small or something big. She doesn't care. You can put it up anytime you want, just to make sure you keep yourself current with the channel. And here we are, week 7 of 52-week challenge. I still need to get caught up a little bit still.